Let's meet Karen, an experienced cosmetologist from Roy, Utah, whose love for creativity and art led her to the welding program. Though she may not seem like a typical welder, Karen found a community and instructors who helped her combine advanced technical skills with her passion for artistic expression. Karen, tell us all about it.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. When I moved to Utah, I left behind a 20-year career as a hairstylist. Above all things, I'm an artist. And ever since I was a child, I've always been looking for ways to expand my creative skill set. I'd always had an interest in learning how to weld, but being a mom with a full-time career, I didn't have the time. When we moved here, my husband suggested OTech. Even though my goals were art-related, I developed an intense respect for all the welding methods. For the first time in 2 decades, I was reminded what it was like to learn a new technical skill. It was incredible to share community and friendships with a diverse group of students. We all celebrated each other's victories and faced our challenges head-on. The instructors demonstrated their expert knowledge, encouraged growth, and shared in our successes. They went beyond instructing. They mentored. They shared their craft with pride and patiently found ways to help each student. When I expressed interest in joining the OTech Skills USA competition team for sculptural welding, the instructors gave me their complete support. They worked with us for months to help finesse our skills and make sure that we were on point. One of the things I love most about OTech is the sense of community you feel no matter where or who you are. I met staff from across the campus who echoed the same desire to help that I'd already experienced from my instructors. And I'm not gonna lie, the food at the campus grill is delicious. I was so inspired watching the fulfillment the instructors got when a student completed the program that I'm proud to say I am now a cosmetology instructor at OTech. Being a student here made me want to change lives, and Ogden Weber Tech has given me the opportunity to do just that. Back to you, Alex.
Karen, it is awesome that your OTech experience inspired you to help others have that same life-changing opportunity. Welding now has more students than any other program on campus, due in large part to invested instructors who support and mentor students every step of the way. Thanks again, Karen.